What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Quick update on the R8. It should be finished tomorrow, Monday, May 16th. So I'm really looking forward to getting the car back. It had a little bit more work than anticipated. It needed new plugs, a fresh oil change. There was a leak at the, I'm guessing the intake manifold, which was causing the tune to not be able to get dialed in. So that's kind of what the holdup has been. So I'm really looking forward to getting the car back because once I have it, it's gonna be running amazing and I am super pumped for that. Today, we're gonna be actually working on the go-karts. That's right, the Segway Go-kart Pros. So we had 2 of the Go-kart Pros and we had 2 of the regular go-karts. We got rid of the regular ones and we bought another Go-kart Pro, so now we just have 3 Go-kart Pros. 2 of those, all the wheels are toast, and that's just from drifting, pulling the e-brake, ripping around corners, all that fun stuff. So today we're gonna swap out all the tires and then we're gonna go for a ride. Let's go. All right, so as you can see, they are pretty filthy. So you can see on this one right here, we've got a nice front lip on there that gives it a really cool sporty look. However, on these ones, we actually took the lip off because like everything that comes in and out of our driveway, they were scraping on the driveway. So this one, after the front lip gets scraped so much, we're just gonna end up taking it off. They've all got the rear spoiler, which looks awesome. This one, I think, oh, this one right here, you can see it's been scraped pretty bad. Someone took it upon themselves to roll this go-kart. And then, yeah, check it out. You can see these tires are pretty worn. This one has like bumps. It's worn down like all the way. You know, same with over here. It's got, I mean, there's holes in this solid rubber tire. And this is what it's supposed to look like. It's just supposed to be a big, solid rubber tire. Let me show you these fresh ones up here. All right, so this is what it's supposed to look like. It's kind of cool. And then these are the front tires. This one is worn down pretty good. Where's the one? This one's pretty low. And then here it is, right there. This is the one I'm assuming that I drift on and drive really hard because this tire's just completely shredded. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna put these tires on and then we're gonna clean them up and then we're gonna take them out for a spin. Is that your YouTube face?
Yep.
All right, so we went ahead and we already replaced all the tires on this go-kart so we could learn how to do it. So that way we can work on this one and show you how it goes. But you can see we got the nice fresh tires. You can see the fresh green stripes. This one has no more ridges on it anymore. It's nice and round. So let's start working on this one. We'll show you step by step how to do it. So the first thing that you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna want to ask someone for help. In this case, it's gonna be my lovely wife. Round of applause for the wife. So go ahead. Okay, go ahead and pull the e-brake. The reason why we do that is because when we go to loosen this, there we go, we just gotta crack it loose. Okay, you can let go. So having someone hold the e-brake makes sure the whole go-kart doesn't slide. Then we just pick this up. There we go. From here, you're gonna unscrew each one of the screws one by one. And what's happening on the other side is these bolts should be popping off. All right, this piece pops off. And then on the other side, this piece pops off. We're gonna set this aside. Okay, and then what we've got is we've got this rim that's inside the tire, so we got to get the rim outside the tire. This is the method right here, guys. Have somebody step on it while you pry it out. Okay, let go. So you're gonna end up with something that looks like this, right? So we've got the rim and it's stuck inside the tire still.
So now it's a rim?
It's a rim. This is a rim.
Oh!
It's a rim. What else would you call it?
Right?
Oh my gosh. it. Get you a wife that knows everything. Then you don't have to know shit. Once you marry someone who knows everything, you don't have to know anything. It's awesome. And they'll let you know too that you don't know anything. That's the best part. They'll remind you.
Oh, are you okay? Did that hit your face?
Yeah, it flew up and hit my chin. Oh my God.
Oh no. Sorry.
That's okay. All right, now we do what we just did in reverse, where we cram this into this tire now. Cram it in the cram hole.
The floor.
La Fleur.
Perfect.
And it's just basically the exact same method, but in reverse. So pop it in like that. Once you get it in the middle like that, you just have to rotate it until it just kind of goes in the center of the tire. Use your screwdriver if you need to kind of pull the tire over the lip of the rim. And just keep working it. There we go. And now it's in. The next thing that we do is we put this back on. So work on getting all the screws in all the holes. There we go. There we go. Okay, so now we got that pushed down all the way. Next we pop this on. Okay, now for the fun part. You want to make sure that you get everything centered. So this part you're gonna need help. So, well, not quite there yet.
That doesn't feel like it's going.
There we go. There you go. There you go. That was it. That was it.
Okay.
So what we did is I squeezed it as hard as I could, and then she just used the drill to get the screw to catch on the bolt, and then we're just gonna go around the circle. We just went in a circular pattern. I'm gonna tighten all of these down so they're all seated at just about the same length, and then we're gonna pop it back on, and then we're gonna work on the rear tires in just a sec. Okay, so put it back on. Washer, nut, okay.
Beautiful.
There we go. Now we're gonna do the back two. This is a lot easier, so let's do that real quick. All right, so for this, you wanna take the Segway piece off in the back. You wanna detach that piece from the actual go-kart. So you undo these straps, then we lift and roll this out. And as you can see, we've got this on its side. That makes it a lot easier to just get these done.
The whole tire just pops right off.
Oh, cool. All right, so pop off the old tire. Obviously, you can see this one's pretty worn out. And we pop on the new tire. Make sure these holes go in the back. And just screw these back in one by one. So obviously you can see the rear is a lot easier than the front. And then we just flip it over. And we do the same thing to the other side. Then we just lay it down, put this back on, make sure these straps go underneath the actual Segway, and then feed this up through here, through this hole, and then you want to make sure you pull it nice and tight. But make sure you have the other one in on the other side too before you pull it nice and tight, otherwise it'll make it uneven. And then what I do is I put my foot on it, and I pull it, and then Velcro it down. Do that to both sides, lift it up, make sure there's no play, and you're good to go. And then you plug it together, and you're all set.